Hi, my name is Eric, and after the 2008 housing market crash, I accidentally ended up becoming a landlord, and I've been buying and rehabbing rental houses ever since. In November of 2019, I quit my dream job and became a full-time real estate investor. Truth is, I rarely know what I'm doing, things usually go wrong, and I'm always stressed and on the edge of a meltdown. Fortunately, me and my investor friends are always taking on new projects, and there's always something exciting, outrageous, or just plain disgusting to share.
Woo! We are in our second snowstorm / blizzard for the 2020-2021 winter here in Oklahoma, and our seller has just moved out of this house. We closed on it just about 2 weeks ago. Let's do our first walkthrough here without once the seller's moved out. He's driven to Kentucky in this snowstorm, drove out yesterday, so I hope he's safe on the road, and super excited about their family getting into the new house. Let's take a look. All right, here we have it. Get some lights on. We got this kitchen right here, this little stub wall, and this big living room. I'm already seeing we might actually be able to open up this wall. We're gonna have to put some supports just because of the way the roof is laid out. The seller's left us some goodies over here. I've always wanted one of those cots, so thank you. Let's see. We've actually got granite on this kitchen. I'm wondering if we can keep that or reuse it somehow. So that's exciting. We've got a little bit of work to do on this floor. The seller's wife was in a wheelchair, and so it's worn some grooves in the floor. They've replaced it with some plywood just to keep it working. We've got a couple other spots right here. I think there may have been a floor heater there. A little bit going on the ceilings. Let's take a look through this hallway here. All right, here's our bathroom. Remember, there was a wheelchair situation, so the seller had set this up really nice for his wife to be able to get in and get in that shower. We got some work to do in this bathroom. Most of our buyers aren't gonna appreciate what's going on here, so we'll probably get that converted back over to a regular shower. This is the first bedroom on the right. It's actually fairly good size. This is a 1,200 square foot house. So we got some closet space over there. And then this is the master, so it's even a little bit bigger. We've got a closet over here, some nice fans. This is the third bedroom. So it's gonna be a little bit smaller, but all in all, it's really great. Honestly, we'll probably find a way. We'll probably drop some click lock plank in here and reuse what we can without doing a whole ton of work to the floors since they are solid. Super excited about this project. It's on 2 acres just east of Tinker in Oklahoma City. So finding some property out here on 2 acres is pretty interesting. It's twice as long as it is wide. It's still pretty wide. It's direct access right there onto Southeast 44th Street. So just a quick run, like maybe a mile or so up to I-44. They moved their entire life out to Kentucky, so they had to leave a lot behind. They just took everything that they could fit. We gotta do some thinking on what we're gonna do there, and then probably give away some of these things for charity or to somebody that can use them. This is that laundry room. Looks like we've got an old fridge here that we need to do something with. We'll just step right through this wall. All right, so this is the add-on laundry. The seller has left the pump turned off for me, but the gas heat on to keep the house warmed up. It's like 8 degrees out right now when I'm shooting this video, so it's kind of a really rare temperature around here in Oklahoma. So we appreciate him turning the water off so that there's not a danger there. All the exterior walls have already been insulated, and there's been some repairs done. It's got a new roof, new AC, new electric panel. It might be a great owner finance or contract for deed situation. It might be a great flip. We probably won't turn it into rental just because of the land, but we might have to look into the market a little bit more and see if there's a need for 2 acres on a rental property, maybe somebody with a horse or a really big dog. So, all right, let's walk through the property a little bit more, and then I'm gonna get it back out to my truck because it is freezing in here. Woohoo! It is super cold out here. Can you see the snow coming down? All right, okay. Oh man, I'm in my truck. So, one of the things I like to do with these houses that I get these off, there we go, is sometimes people leave things behind. I like to see what I consider something of value. So, here's today's score. I don't know if anybody's ever done this, but I'm going for it. Today we have ibuprofen. Hope they don't sue me over this brand. It looks like I found this in almost like a go bag, a medicine bag. And I'm not sure how to read the date on this, but I think it's from 2015. So I don't know if that's any good anymore. Also, we've got this super cool ratchet strap that was brand new in the box. Not my favorite style, it's like plastic, but that's cool. We've got a thing of Aleve from Walgreens. There's a date on it, it's 2014. Brand new bottles though, so let's see, what else did I get? Oh, there's a bottle of water in the house. I'm really thirsty right now, so that's perfect. There was just one bottle in the bag. And then I threw a couple of things in the back of the truck earlier. We ended up with this stack of brand new paper plates. I eat on paper plates pretty much every day. So yay, that's a win. Not a big ticket item. Then we found this brand new unsealed thing of raisins. A thing of Jolly Ranchers. I think this was a Valentine's Day gift, so thank you so much for sharing your Valentine's Day gift. And an almost brand new thing of Act popcorn. I really think that I might be the only one out here. Alright, it's tight. Got 4-wheel drive on, just in case. And I need to close this gate. This is the back entrance to this property. Got a little bit left. Out here. So we got these old boats out, so that's cool. Extra acreage right here. Some of the neighbors. Surprised they haven't come out to yell at me. I actually don't think any of the neighbors know that it's been sold yet. Looks like we've got a little trailer out there with firewood on it. Does anybody need some firewood? All right, I think that's it. It's really cold out here. Thanks for staying with me on this entire video. All right, that's it for now. I'll bring you another one soon.